Okay. All are able to see my screen. Okay. So let's start today's session. Today we'll start one more new topic, that is Oops concept. Okay. It is a very important topic, guys. So please concentrate. Marks of the interview. Okay. Whenever you attend any interview, everywhere they will asking that Oops concept. Okay. So whenever designing also in your program, so every time it's required oops concept. So look here. So what is oop? So what is the use of oops? So we'll discussing here. So look here. So let me open that notch. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Look here. The date is what? 27 or 28. Okay. 28. 08. 83. Okay. Look here, guys. Oops. What is oops, guys? So, oops is a concept, guys. So, in Java, oops is a concept. It is a very important concept. Remember, guys. So, very important concept is oops. Okay, very important concept. Okay, so we can say what is oop? Oop is a, we can say it is a technique. Okay, by using this technique, we can designing in our application. So we can telling its full form. So OOP is a object oriented programming. Okay, OOP is a object oriented programming. So what is object oriented programming, guys? So just think logically. Okay, whatever things I'm telling here, just think logically. Object oriented programming means, so the programming we're using object, based on object we should be doing some operation. It is called object oriented programming. So let's guys. So I'm writing here. What is OOPS? OOPS stand for, okay. OOPS stand for object oriented, object oriented programming. Okay. OOPS stand for object oriented programming. We can say, guys, it is a technique. Okay. Oops. We can say it is a technique, or we can say it is a methodology, guys. By using this technique and methodology, we can designing oops. We can say it is a technique. We can say it is a technique, or okay, guys, we can say it is a technique or methodology. By using this technique or methodology, we can designing oops. Okay, guys. So look here. It is a technique or methodology, guys. Okay, it is a technique or methodology. By using this technique or methodology, we can designing oop. By using this technique, by using this we can say, by using this we can design oop. Okay, by using this we can designing OOP. So what is OOP? So OOP stand for object oriented programming. Okay, then what's the work is? So it is a technique or methodology. By using this we can designing OOP. Okay, guys. So then we need to write here some other things. So Ooops is a, you remember no? Ooops is a technique or methodology. So it means what is the technique? If it is a technique or methodology, what is the work? If it is technique or methodology, it will be suggesting, guys. It will be suggesting to convert that a real world object to programming world. So guys, one thing remember, guys, everything in real world we can designing as a programming world. So let's assume, so whatever activity you are doing, so let's, so in our home, in our school, in student, in job, in boss, in care, everything, guys, whatever things you think, whatever things you imagine, okay, everything we can designing that real world object to programming world. And let's everything, okay, everything you are always thinking it is a object. So this object we can create also programming world, in world. So if you are thinking whatever thing, okay, it's coming in your mind, whatever object you can think, so based on that object also we can converting as a programming world. Okay, so it means what we need to write here, it will be suggest, it will suggest, it will suggest to convert, okay, it will suggest to convert real world, real world object to programming world object, programming world object. So what suggests, oops, it will be suggest to convert real world object to programming world object. Okay, guys, remember. So what will suggest, oops, so oops suggest to convert real world object to programming world. It means, let's assume, I'll give here example. So in a college, let's assume college is a, you are just thinking, no, college is doing like this things. So they are, in college consist of that the student, the teachers, and the syllabuses, everything is a consist. Okay, you can say college is a object. Okay, based on college we can designing our application. Okay, it means we are converting as a programming word. Okay, then second thing, let's assume you are designing as a, uh, let's assume software engineer. Okay, software engineer is a real world object, but we need to designing it as a programming world. So how will designing a programming world? Let's assume software engineer is a object. So software engineer containing many things like many developers, okay, many software, so many company, all those things are consist, it is a, we can say converting as a programming world. Let assume one more thing is I'm telling. So company, okay, company means what? So company means any company, guys. A company means, company consists software company or non-software company or hardware company. Many companies there. So we can take as a company as a, object, real world object. So we need to represent as a programming world also. Okay, like this many things are there. So whatever things you can visualize in real world, so everything we can represent as a programming world by using oops concept. Okay, this is the beauty of oops concept. It is, this is the power of oops concept. You can converting any object to programming world. Okay, so then what is OOPS? So OOPS stand for Object Oriented Programming. It is a technique or methodology. By using this, we can designing OOP. So I will suggest here to, so sorry, I not I will, oops, it will, okay, it will suggest to convert real world programming. So it suggests to convert real world object to programming world object. Real world object to programming world object. Okay, guys. So this is the OOPS. So we're telling, so oops contain multiple pillar, guys. Okay, we can say multiple pillar means it's consist to converting that real world object to programming world object. They're having some step is there. Okay, some pillar is there. You can say some step is there. Okay, based on this step we can step by step we can writing our oops concept. Okay, so I'm telling here its content. It content. Okay, its content below concept. Below concept. Okay, guys. Oops, content below concept. What is the concept? First, we can say its content object. Sorry, its content class, because class is required. Now, whenever anything you need to defining, so in that time class is required. Okay. Then second content. What's the second? Is the object. Okay, guys. Second content object. Then third, what's content? It's a, we can say encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation. Then fourth. What is fourth? So fourth is inheritance. Okay, inheritance. Then five. So what is five? Five content polymorphism. Okay, polymorphism. So poly or not okay. Okay, polymorphism. Then six, abstraction. Abstraction. Okay, guys. So like this concepts content. Oops. Okay. So we need to discuss this oops concept. If guys these many concept is covered, then our oops concept is covered. Nothing, guys. It's very easy. But guys, you should be concentrated and you should be do hard work. Okay, so let's discuss that pillars one by one. Then you people get more clarity. Okay, so guys, what is class? So we are discussing here class. Okay, what is class? Anybody tell what is class? Because that's everybody know. Previously, in initial date onwards. Okay, every time we are discussing that class. Okay, so everybody know what is class. Okay, anybody, any idea what is class? Guys, please ping. Anybody, any idea what is class? Okay, okay. Okay, I'll zoom. Okay, anybody, any idea what is class? Okay, guys, any idea what is class? Okay, nobody. Okay, class is program name. Okay, okay, guys, look here. So, what is class? So basically, guys, so whenever we need to defining, okay, any program, any application, okay, in this time we need to creating class. Okay, we need to creating class under class. Whatever things we need to define under class, we need to defining, and that is variable, constructor, method, and everything. Everything we need to defining under class, guys. So we can say if you under class, if many thing is defining, you can say it is a blueprint, guys. Blueprint means it is a copy. Okay, we can say class is a blueprint. Okay, basically we, by using class, first thing is by using class we can creating object, no? Okay, by using class also we can creating object. Then one more thing is, guys, so by using class we can creating constructor, method, so everything. It means we can add here one more point, class containing constructor, object, so like these things is containing. Then guys, remember, a class does not take any memory. Okay, class does not take any single memory, guys. If you are to telling so class is taking your memory or not, it's wrong, because object taking memory but class does not take any memory. Okay, if you are to defining one class, then you need to defining multiple object. Under this class we can defining multiple object. Okay guys, so what is class? We can say class is a blueprint. First point, we can say class is a blueprint. Okay, class is a blueprint. Okay, home you can create instance. Okay, class is a blueprint. Home we can create instance. Okay, so instance means, guys, what's instance means, guys, object. Okay, so we can say what is class? Class is a blueprint. Okay, blueprints means, guys, so class containing that multiple things. Okay, it is the printing formats. You can just technical word you are using. So class is a blueprint. We can create instance. First point is there. Okay, then second point, guys. So what is its second point? So second point is class binder, that multiple data. Okay, class containing multiple data like object, uh, we can say constructor, method, variable. Okay, you can add here class content. Okay, class content, variable. Okay, method. Okay, constructor. Okay, variable, method, constructor. Then multiple things, guys. Okay, class content, variable, method, constructor, etc. Block, we can say block. Okay, we can say etc. Okay, so what is class? Class is a blueprint. We can create object. So class content variable, method, constructor, etc. You all are know, guys. So whenever defining class, so under class we can defining variable, under then we can defining method, constructor, block. So like these things we can defining under class. You all are know. Then third point, guys, I'll write here. So what is that? Class does not take any memory space when programmer create. Okay, class does not. Okay, guys, class does not. Okay, okay, guys, class. Okay, class does not take any memory space. Okay, guys, class does not take any memory space when programmer will create. Remember these things. Class does not take any memory space when programmer will create. Okay, it will not take any single memory, guys. Whenever programmer will be creating class, it will not taking any single memory, because object will take, remember this point, guys, always remember, object will take memory but class does not take any single memory. Okay, then third point, guys, this 3 point enough, guys. If it is the is coming difference, so in that time we'll be adding. So I'll also after class and variable defining, sorry, after class and object defining, I'm also telling its difference also many times. Okay, many time interviewer will asking that what is the difference between class and objects. Okay, in that time also you should remember what is the difference. Remember guys, what is class? This thing only remember, because all are already know how to implementing class, what is class, everything is already know. So just remember these three theory points. What is class? Class is a blueprint. We can create object. Class content variable method constructor block. Okay, class does not take any memory when programmer will create. These three things guys remember. Then guys, after when I implementing, you will get more clarity. Already you guys know what is class and how to implementing. Okay. Then guys, second pillar. What is second pillar? That is object. Okay. Object also, you guys know object also you created, and object also you implemented guys. All are implemented, created object. So I'm writing here its theory. What is object? What is object guys? Same thing as it's alternate. Okay, whatever things I define here, same thing here, it is object alternate. So object, an object is instance of class guys. Instance of class. Here is what? Class is a blueprint from we can create instance. Okay. So we can say here object is a instance of class. Object is a instance. Okay, object is a instance. Okay, instance of class. Okay, object is a instance of class. Okay guys, all are clear? What is object? Object is a instance of class. Actually, the object actually helping us, object helping programmer to use variable and method inside this class. Okay, so you already know guys. So when we are creating object, so what is the purpose of creating object? We can accessing, no, we can accessing variable, we can accessing method, because whenever guys remember, so whenever we are defining that instance member in class level or instance member in uh, uh, yeah, instant member like a variable and method. Okay, instant method and instant variable whenever we are defining under class level, in this case we need to create object guys. Then we need to after creating object, so based on that reference we can calling that variable and method. So what is the use? So it means it will be calling that use, it's been calling that variable and method. It is, we can say it is a work of object. So just remember its theory. Object is a instance of class. Okay, it means by using class concept we can creating object. So that technically I represent here object is a instance of class. Okay, so second point guys, so what is object? Then one more point you can add here, object act like a variable of the class. Okay, object act like a variable, object act like a variable of the class. Okay guys, remember whenever you created objects, let's assume, so you are creating object here example. Okay, example obj equal to new example. Okay, you are creating like this. If you are creating like this is object, we can say this is object reference. Okay, what's it's like act like a variable, no? It's a act like a variable of the class. So same point guys I wrote here. So it's act like a variable of the class. Then third point guys, we can say object takes memory when programmer will create. Class doesn't take memory when programmer will create. Here we can represent one more point. Object take memory memory when programmer will create. Programmer will create. Oh yes, like it's alternate difference, guys. So look here, if somebody asking, so what is the difference between class and object? So you can explain easily. So what is that? Object is a blueprint from we can say from we can create instance. It's alternate point you can say here. So object is instance of class. Okay. Then second point are here. So class contain variable method constructor block etc. Okay. But in object act like a variable. Okay. Then third point you can add here. So class doesn't take any memory, but object take memory. All are guys clear here? Any doubt? Just remember theory because you already know how to create object, how to create everything. You already know. All are clear now? Whatever things I discussed now it. Nothing else, just only I theory I discuss here because you already know how to create class, how to create object, and how to accessing the this member. So everything you know. Okay, for that actually I talk here. It's theory part. Okay, let's proceed here. So look here. So then what is? So then one more concept is guys there. That is second things. Sorry, third things. What is third things? That is encapsulation. From here onwards, guys, it's taking little bit time. Okay. From here onwards, it's taking little bit time because exact importance points coming here. Okay. Third one. What is encapsulation? So we can say it is first one, and we can say it is second one. Okay, we can say it is third one. It's- Look, guys, what is encapsulation? So, guys, remember one point I'm telling here before discussing encapsulation. So basically, encapsulation is provide security, guys. So security means, guys. So whenever you performing any operation, guys, if everything is access, then attacker will be attacked very easily. Let's assume. So let's you go to withdraw some money. Okay. In this case, you went ATM. So after going ATM, so what will do? After going ATM, you should put your debit card to ATM. Then after entering, you can enter your secret key or you can enter your password. After entering password, guys, if password is correct, then you can proceed next step. Then finally, you will get money. You can finally withdraw that money. Okay, if you are wrong user, okay, if you don't know what is the secret key, okay, so in this case, what happened? In this case, if you entering any wrong secret key, it will be giving exception because it will throwing exception like so the secret key is wrong, try after some time, like this things it will be rising to user. Okay, then what ATM identify? The ATM is identified. So it is not correct user because he every time he's entering that wrong pin. So please stop execution sometime. Okay, please stop execution sometime. It means in that time you will get one message. So try after that sometime. Like this multiple messages, guys. You are getting whenever you go to ATM if you are entering that wrong pin code. So in this case you will be getting that multiple messages because you are entering wrong, no? So that is the security concept means it will be security is binder. Okay, if the term and condition, if the security is okay, if the entering the correct password, if you correct user, then it will be access, guys. Okay, if you are wrong user, if you are entering wrong password, so then you directly you can say you are a attacker. Okay, you are a fraud. Okay, because you don't know that the password. Okay, in this case, that security concept help us. Okay, to implementing forward step with the, if without security case is there, so anybody if somebody is finding used to you miss your debit card, if somebody is find out that one, then somebody is going to the ATM and he put your debit card, if he entering that any number, then he can easily withdraw if security is not there. Because that's why security is very very important in our daily life. Without security we can't performing any operation, guys, anywhere. Look, guys, anywhere. If you are studying in college, there also some security person is there. Okay, they first of all they check you are a correct person or not, you already admit in that college or not. If you are admit in the college, so they verify your ID card. If you are a student of the college, then they allow to go to the class. Okay, if you are not, then they are not allowing. This is a security of your college. Then security of your office, so whenever you go office, no, so they are having also security. Okay, they also verify. So if it is if it is worker of the office or not, if you are worker of the office, then he can verify your card, then he can allowing to going to office. Okay, like this everywhere, guys, in real world, everywhere, guys, security is there. Yes or no? So that's why in our programming world also security concept is there. So encapsulation, guys, remember encapsulation provides security, but in future also you will read more about on security. There is one specific concept are there on security purpose, one specific concept are there, in that time you can read also. But before that, encapsulation is coming under oops concept. No, it will be basically encapsulation providing that security of the object. Remember, guys, so encapsulation providing the security of the object. So what is the definition we can say in encapsulation? Programming what is the definition, guys? We can say encapsulation, it is a part of our oops concept. By using encapsulation, guys, we can implementing security concept. So it means declaring when how encapsulation is encapsulated by using security. So they are having some rule, guys. So what is the rule? Whatever variable there in your class. Okay, guys. So declaring all the variable as a private. Okay. Then accessing those variable via setter and getter method. That is called, guys, encapsulation. So we can say, guys, encapsulation is one of the OOPS principle. Okay, it is one of the okay. It is one of the OOPS principle. Okay, encapsulation is one of the OOPS principle. So its encapsulation is one of the OOPS principle. It's provides security concept to our application. It provide it's provide security. It's provide security to object. It's provide security. Okay, it's provide security to object. You can say it's provide security to our application also, you can say. Okay, encapsulation, what is encapsulation? It is one of the oops principle. It's provides security to object. Okay, it's provides security to object. Okay, guys, you remember this point. How will defining of encapsulation? So declaring all the field. Okay, declaring all the field as a private and accessing those field. Okay, via setter and getter method is called encapsulation. So how will implementing? So declaring declaring all the field, all the field as private, all the field as private, declaring all the field as a private, and accessing accessing those field via, okay, and accessing those field via setter, and getter method, and getter method. All those concept guys, you know what is setter method, what is getter method. Field means guys here variable. Okay, in technically we are telling field. Okay, in technically we are telling field. Okay, field mean as a variable. Okay, so what is encapsulation? We can say here. So it is one of the Ooops principle. It provides security to object. So declaring all the field as a private and access those field via setter and getter method. Okay, it is called. It is called. Okay, it is called encapsulation. Okay, it is called encapsulation. Okay, remember guys, this two point very simple definition. Okay, so then guys, so it means what? So let's guys here giving an example. So let's one class is there. Okay, it's example guys here to represent. Then after that we need to, after here defining. Then after that we need to represent our ID. But before that, look here example. Okay, what is example? So let's having guys. So one class is there. Let's example. Okay, class name is here example. So example class, let's content that one variable, its content, that is guys what. So int a, int a is content. Then one more is content string, sorry, we can say here int h, just assume. Okay, then string name. Look here, previously we are defining like this guys. Okay, yes or no? We are defining like this, where we can use the, previously we can use here public. Okay, we can previously look, previously we defining like this, public public int a, or directly we can defining like this. Previously we are defining like this, but what our concept telling, look here. So our concept is telling, you know guys, I'm telling sometime before, field means variable. Okay, so what our concept telling? So our concept are telling declaring all the field, as a private. All the field private means what? So we need to remove our public keyword. Okay, we need to remove our public keyword. So instead of public, we need to passing private. Okay, we need to passing private. So whatever things, whatever field are defining, we can passing here private, private. Okay, declaring all the field as a private. Look this statement, whatever statement I wrote here. Look, declaring all the field as a private. Okay, then second step. What is this second step? Accessing those field. Okay, accessing those field means those variable. Accessing those field via setter and getter method. So setter method, what is the use? Setter method, it will be using for modifying or assigning purpose, and getter method we are using, what is the getter method we are using? That is getting or retrieve purpose. So it means what it's telling. So declaring all the field as a private and accessing those field via setter and getter method. It means whatever variable you need to defining under class, all variable you need to defining as a private. Then those variable, okay, those variable initialization purpose guys. Okay, those variable initialization purpose guys, here we need to using that setter method. You can say initialization or modification, anything you can say. For this purpose we need to using setter method and retrieve purpose. Okay, it means data getting purpose, we need to using this getter method. You guys all are know this concept, that what is the setter and getter. Whenever I define no, that setter method and getter method, In that time I already told, but in that time I'm not use only private keyword, but I already told how to defining that setter method and how to defining the getter method. Okay guys, so look, first thing is we're defining a class. Then after that, what we do? After that, whatever field, whatever variable I'm defining by using private keyword. Then second step is after that we need to defining setter method and getter method. For edge purpose, how will defining? So you already know what is the rule to create setter method, what is the rule to create getter method. Okay, remember this rule. Previously, I already told. So look here. So what I will designing. So I just designing setter method. So how will designing? So just look here. So we need to designing public. Okay, void. Then setter method purpose. Its return type is void. I already told guys. Okay, public void. Then set. Then our variable name. Variable name what's age. So I told variable name is always starting is capital H. Then setter method purpose, whatever variable is there just I pass there. Okay, like int h. Okay, you can pass there. Okay guys, then after that here how to initializing, we can using here like this dot h. You already know this concept, but here also I'm re-explaining because you will get more clarity. Okay, this is for setter method for h. So getter method how will designing? So getter method well designing public. So what is the return type of our variable? Same return type we need to putting. Just copy here. We need to putting here same return type. Okay. Then get keyword. Then after that we need to using h. Okay. Then it will be no parameter. We cannot pass any parameter here. Then just return age. Okay guys, so we can say just return age. Like this we can designing setter and getter method. Then also designing same name purpose guys, you can also designing same. Just understanding purpose I defining here one things. Okay, then after that guys you can designing public static void main. I'm writing a short form public static void main. Okay, so I'm writing it short form here. So string array args. Okay, then after that we just creating its object. Okay, we're just creating its object and then we can access object all or no. So then we can access here. Okay guys, like this we can create encapsulation. This concept you already know. Then guys one more thing are there. So what is strong encapsulation? Another thing is weak encapsulation. Two things are there under encapsulation guys. Two things is there. One is strong encapsulation, another is weak encapsulation. So what is strong encapsulation guys, and then what is weak encapsulation? Remember guys, so strong encapsulation means guys declaring all the non-final field. Okay, all the non-final field as a private and accessing setter and getter method. This is strong encapsulation means. Weak encapsulation means guys at least one non-final field. Okay, at least one or non-final field were missing, not declaring private. It's called weak encapsulation. Remember, somebody is asking guys. Whenever I took interview, okay, in my company, so I also asking that guys. So what is strong encapsulation? What is weak encapsulation? Okay. So remember also, you guys also remember same things. Okay, somebody whenever you giving interview in that time also you can get this type of question. Not sure, but you it will be a chance to get. Okay, if interviewer will be asking, so in that time you can explain very clearly. Okay, so here also same thing, Strong encapsulation and weak encapsulation. Encapsulation. Okay. Strong encapsulation. What is strong encapsulation, guys? Declaring all the non-final. Okay, declaring all the non-final, guys. Non-final. Non-final field. Declaring all the non-final field setter and getter method. Okay. Then accessing. Then access. Okay. Then access via. Sorry. Declaring uh, all the non-final field as a private. Okay, declaring all the non-final field as a private and access access setter and getter method. Same thing guys, and access setter and getter method. Remember this concept, guys. So this is strong encapsulation. Strong encapsulation means declaring all the non-final field as private and access setter and getter method. This is strong encapsulation. Then guys, weak encapsulation. What is weak encapsulation? Weak encapsulation. Weak encapsulation means, guys, declaring at least one field. Okay, declaring at least one non-final field as not private, and this is called weak encapsulation. Okay, declaring, we can say declaring at least. Okay, declaring at least. Okay, declaring at least one. Okay, non-final, one non-final field, declaring at least one non-final field as not private. One non-final field as not private. As not private. Okay, is called is called that is weak encapsulation. Is called weak encapsulation. Weak encapsulation. Okay, guys. Remember. What is strong encapsulation? What is weak encapsulation? First thing is you remember what is encapsulation, then its example. Then guys, what is strong encapsulation? Then what is weak encapsulation? All are clear or any doubt? Guys, any doubt or all are clear? Please ping if somebody is doubt or please ping. Nothing discussed now it. Okay, good. Okay guys. Then I'll represent it in programmatically well. So you already know also this concept how to declare the programmatically. No worry guys. So look, just I need to open ID. Do workshop is currently used. Already open, yeah. Just a minute. So let me open that ID. Okay. Okay. Let me guys create one project for encapsulation. Just file new. Okay. So cursor, what is the set file new. Okay. So let's, I'm putting my class name is encapsulation, okay, application, okay, encapsulation application. Then next, then face. Okay, so now encapsulation application is ready. Let me remove this one. Okay, just right click, new, then package. We can create package name is com.softwareengineerbuilder. Okay, then fields. Then secondly, we can create our class. Okay, I can create here class name is, let any name. You can pass here. I'm passing here. My class name is encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation test. Encapsulation test. You can pass any name. That is no worry. Okay, okay, guys. Then ready. Then I'm writing here main method. Okay, so just writing main method for uh, calling that variable and the method purpose. Look here. Then we need to defining here encapsulation. Okay, encapsulation defining purpose. What we'll do, guys? So let's, we're defining as variable. I already told declaring all the variable as a privates. Okay, that's same thing. So we're defining, okay, private variable name that we're defining int age. Let's, one variable is there. Then second variable is there, private, okay, string name. Guys, already you know. So how to defining and setter and getter method. Okay. Then if you need to implementing setter and getter method through id, so how will defining, so just, but guys, initially you can define, you can write one way, because you are new stage, no, you are just learner. So for that actually you can write that setter and getter method based on that rule. But one more option is there, guys. So if you uh, right click here, okay, then if you go that research option, then look here, guys. So there one option is there, generate setter and getter method. By using this rule also, you can generate setter and getter method also. Okay, okay, guys, you can generate setter and getter method also by using this rule. Look, guys, it will be generate or not. So as is a here. For age purpose is getter method is generate. For age purpose is setter method is generate. For string purpose its setter method is for getter method is generate. For setter method is generate. It will be id is giving here, but you can, guys, write your own way. Okay, you already know that rule to designing setter and getter method. But actually whenever you can work in company level, so in this time you can follow this rule. Okay, otherwise you can, whenever you can export to generating that setter and getter method, you can export, you can own write setter and getter method, then you can generate this way. Okay, then you can follow this way, then you can generate setter and getter method this way. But remember, guys, this is also alternative way to generate setter and getter method. This will be helping to id. Okay, id help to us to generating the setter and getter method. No worry, guys, you can write your own way manually, then you will get more clarity. Okay, same thing, guys. Setter method, how we are designing it, like this, no, like this we are designing previously. Look, whatever way I follow, whatever way I designing previously, same thing. Look here, I'm just writing here, I'm just following my way and my design pattern, then I'm designing like this. So while designing, public void set is small, then get is capital, then like this, then this dot s equal to h, then public int, here getter method get is small, then like this, like this I design, no. Actually I remember my way how to designing that setter and getter method, then I can design here. But if you want to following this way also, By following this way also you can designing. This is, this designing is given by id. Okay, it will be a help to developer to implement our application very quickly. Okay guys, so like this way we can designing our setter and getter method. Then guys, then after that we need to accessing this setter and getter method. How will accessing this setter and getter method? Guys, for that actually I create object. You all are know. So how to creating object. So just I copy here our class name. Okay guys, then after that I need to create here object. So I just paste here, I passing here any variable. So let's, I put here my variable name is en p. Okay, then I use new keyword. Then again I putting here class name. Then again I starting here bracket. Then closing. This is the way to designing objects. Okay. So then I need to calling this method one by one. So how will calling this method? So you already know. So just calling enp dot set. Okay, enp dot set age. I can pass here age is, okay, and age is 25 years. Okay. Then second thing, enp dot set. Okay, name. Okay, I can pass here name is Rajesh. Okay, anything I can pass here. Then I want to accessing this variable. Okay, how will accessing this variable? Through getter method. Okay, through getter method we can accessing this variable. So just I need to printing here this variables output is coming or not. So just I use here enp variable name. Okay, enp variable name I just use here. Then after that what I do, then I need to use here getter method. It's get gets, one method is there. Then again gets, so I need to printing our getting value. Okay, so for that what I'll do, so I just use same reference dot get name. Okay, then after that I need to printing here. So look here, right click run as java application. Look, if I printing here, then 25 is coming, then Rajesh is coming, age is coming 25, then name is coming Rajesh. Look here. Yes. So what is the use here? So here is we are defining variable. Okay. So this variable we are not assigning, where we are not including value there, directly hard coded. Okay, so we are assigning value there through what? We are assigning value there through setter method, and we are getting value through getter method. We can want, if you want to that variable modify. Okay, in this case also again we can using that setter method. Okay, it means the old value will be replaced by new value. So how will replace by new value? Look here. So just emp, sorry, enp set. Okay, h set s I'm passing here. What is that? 27. Okay, it means that all value will replaced by new value. So how will printing it? So look here. So it's out at new value, new age. What is that new age? New age is we are getting again something. Look here, if I getting again something, then that new age will be printing. So how will getting enp dot, sorry, here we need to print it. Enp dot get age, get age. It means it will be modified, guys. Okay, it will be modified, it will be replaced. The whatever old value is there, it will be replaced by new value. Then we are getting that new value because look here. So here is Previously value age is 25, but currently age is 27. It means that new old age replaced by new age. So how will printing? So again, guys, I want to running here. Look here. Previous age is 25. The name is Rajesh. The new age. I replace my age. Okay. So 27. Then here is I replace my age. It means I modify. Okay. It means I modify here my age. Okay. Then we'll getting that age is 27. Okay. So all are clear or any doubt? This is the concept of encapsulation. Guys, all are clear or any doubt? So let me know. So all are clear or any doubt? If you have any doubt, then I will re-explain also. No issue for that. Anybody, any doubt? Guys, playing here. All are clear or any doubt? So code once. Okay. Okay, look here. So code I already explained. Look. Look here, variable we are designing like this because our rule is declaring all the field as a private. Okay, this is this is where we need to designing like this. Then accessing those field via setter and getter method. This rule you already know how to designing and setter and getter method. Then after that I create here main method. After that main method I need to defining here, that is encapsulation. Okay, defining here encapsulation. So it means we are defining here its object. So after that what we'll do, after that we're just setting and getting value. By using this reference we are just setting and getting value. This is encapsulation. Okay, this is also called as a strong encapsulation also. This is called because look here, so I defining here all the field as a private. Okay, we can, if I'm doing that we can encapsulation. So what is that? So just I remove here one field. Just I remove here one field, non-capsule, non-private. It means look, program is execute perfectly. Okay, program is execute perfectly, but whenever I remove this one field as a non-private, no, so output will be coming as expected. But this is called weak encapsulation because guys, when you are implementing, no, when you are implementing these things, this is the rule. So declaring all the field private means that is strong encapsulation. At least one field as a non-private. Okay, non-private means if you removing as a private keyword, then it is called weak encapsulation. Weak encapsulation and strong encapsulation, when that programmatically the real world programmatically when you're implementing no more and more. So in this case, that code review and like these things, many concept is there in project level. So in this case you can easily identify. Okay, based on that code review or like that is there. So many tool are there. So based on you, that tool you can identify that thing, it is a strong, it is a weak, so it will be identified. Okay. So, but now you remember strong encapsulation means like this. All the field as a private, and we are getting output like this. Then weak encapsulation means at least one field as a non-private. It's called weak encapsulation. Okay. Okay, guys. Now clear, sir. I think you didn't explain access modifier. Oh, access modifier will be explained. So, my topic also there. So, additional concept I'm topic also there. In the topic also there. So that private, okay, private default, public, so protected. So everything is there. So private default, protected, public. So many things are there. So it will be explaining. So no worry. Then execution level will be explaining. Actually, whenever I complete the Ooops concept, no, so all things are all accessible modifier you'll be getting. Okay. So if I going this topic, this that is not much things. Okay, accessible modifier is not much thing. It is a very easy things. Okay, under oops concept, I'll clear one by one. So here today I'll cover that private keyword. Then public you already know. Then somewhere I use protected. Then default also you know. So all those things no. So actually whenever I complete the oops concept, no, under oops concept I included this topic. Okay, I include that access modifier under oops concept. Then when the oops concept will be over, you will get overall idea. Okay, because if you're taking that separate session, no, because I have less time in my hand. Within 3 4 months, guys, my target is you people get all job. Okay, my motto is within 3 months or 3 4 months you are getting job. So for that actually, so I including many topics as a combine. Then I'm telling, I'm implementing that one. Then under there you will get more clarity. Because if I'm telling, no, if I'm telling that access modifier, execution modifier, what is the work and like these things, you are not getting. Here is I'm under practical, I'm implementing, I'm telling. So then you people get more clarity to how to implement also. Its clarification also you will get. Okay, so this is the concept of encapsulation. So guys, today is we are designing that class object encapsulation is three parties completed. So guys, be practice this theory, guys, please remember. Okay, please remember this theory, because everywhere whenever you attend interview, everywhere they will asking this theory. So in that time you can explain. So please remember this theory. What is oops? What is class? What is object? What is encapsulation? What is strong encapsulation? What is weak encapsulation? How to designing this one? Just practice, remember theory. Okay, then you people get more clarity. Okay, so whenever we'll performing that interview, no, so in that time they will asking. Okay, whenever we will also conducting that mock interview. Okay, we will also conducting that mock interview for you. So in that time also, our team, okay, our team will also asking you. So whoever taking your interview, mock interview, they will also asking you. Okay guys, so please be practice. Okay, so when your core Java is complete, so in that time onwards, so weekly one or like this, we are planning accordingly. We are conducting your mock interview, because I want to be practice. Whenever your Spring Boot is complete, up to we are giving the Spring Boot, no, core, advanced, Spring Boot. So everything you can revise, everything you should have your memory. Okay, then you will get job easily. Okay, guys. So no worry. So today this much. Then we'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow we'll proceed next topic. Okay. Tomorrow we'll discuss that inheritance and like these things is remaining. So we'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, guys. So you can drop now. So today is this much. Okay, guys. You can drop. Bye then.